Hello everybody, welcome back to the Art with Alex YouTube channel, and today we're just going to be chilling. We're going to be drawing the next October day prompt. It's day 14 and the prompt is Rome. You know, embarrassingly, I had to actually search up what that meant because the connections in my brain weren't really doing the connecting, so I had no idea what Rome meant. Anyways, today's prompt is Rome. No, roaming, I'm just gonna pick a simple idea. It's just someone roaming in a field. My first thought was wheat field because they're well known for roaming, or perhaps a cornfield. Cornfield. Roaming is just when someone is roaming, it's typically someone just wandering around without a purpose, typically over a large area. So what are places that you can roam aimlessly and it's a large area? Probably like abandoned places or properties. You can roam just parks, right? Probably do something easy, just do wheat field. Wheat field. Or just a field of some sort. And perhaps there should be a monster lurking behind someone. And then probably a field. And then probably somewhere in the field there's always someone watching. I just like this idea, very simple. I'm just gonna do that. So my next step is simply just to collect a bunch of references. So that's what I'm gonna be doing now. Alright. So good. I do like how this is coming. The only challenges that I foresee to happen is a little bit of the shading, and perhaps I don't really know how to draw a wheat field. So perhaps I will see how this will go. I'll see how this will go. Anyways, I'm gonna be doing inking now, and I'm just gonna see how this goes. I'll fix some mistakes along the way if I have to. Anyways, if you guys find this enjoyable so far, I hope you guys will leave a like and subscribe. As mentioned before, that is very much appreciated. Let this sit. Then we're gonna erase. We're gonna see how we're gonna paint this. Guess I'm gonna just paint it, see how it goes. If it goes well at all, perhaps not. We shall see. It's a little bit too dark. This road, it's making everything look a little bit clumped up. Oh. Too late now. Yeah, this road is the biggest issue. Just gonna do some finishing touches here. And then clean up, and then I should be done. I like this piece. It has some flaws, but I feel like the story kind of holds it together. It's quite captivating in my opinion. Especially with these long stringy arms. Anyways, that's about it, folks. I hope you like this one. Rome. It was today's prompt. And that's about it. Yeah. Thanks for watching. If you have any thoughts or comments or suggestions, you guys should leave a comment. Thank you. Bye.